Here's another Pete the Cat story. It's called Pete the Cat and the Tip Top Treehouse. Pete the Cat and the Tip Top Treehouse. Oops, this doesn't want to be open. Pete the Cat has built a treehouse. That's really cool. He calls his friends. I just built a treehouse, he says. Come over and play. He's calling all of his friends. But they're all in the treehouse. Pete's friends show up. This is great, say his friends. But it is a little small. They're all kind of squished in there. You're right, says Pete. It is too small. I will fix that. Pete starts building a bigger treehouse. Wow. Do you want some help? Asks Callie. Sure, says Pete. Callie carries up more wood. Can I help too? Asks Marty. Sure, says Pete. I like that everybody wants to help. Together, they built a tower for Pete's treehouse. Let's have a treehouse party, says Marty. A party, says Pete. But what will everyone do? I can help with that, says Emma. Treehouse plans. This is great, says Pete. Let's do this. I'm sorry, let's do it. Pete, Marty, Callie, Emma, and Grumpy Toad get right to work. They built an arcade. They fill it with fun games called Big Banana, Space Cat, Alien Frogs. They build a bowling alley. It has 20 lanes. They build a wave pool. Pete can surf indoors. They build a movie theater and a skate park and a climbing wall and an ice rink. Pete's friends all come for the party. Pete takes one friend to the bowling alley. He takes one friend to the movie theater. He takes one friend to the skate park. Pete lets one friend surf in the wave pool. Is everyone here? Asks Pete. Yeah, but we're all alone, his friends say. We came to play with each other. Oh, says Pete. Everyone meet down at the jungle gym. Everyone climbs down. The treehouse is amazing, say his friends. It really is amazing. Look at all that stuff. Thanks, says Pete. I'm glad it brought us all together.